How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can unrestrict someone on Messenger. So let's dive in. First, open your Messenger app and then click these three horizontal lines on the top left corner. And now click the settings gear. And once you click it, it's going to bring you to this page, and here you have to scroll down until you find this privacy and safety option and choose it. And now you have to scroll down, and here you'll find this restricted accounts option. Click it. And here you can see I have restricted this account. Now in order to unrestrict it, you simply have to click it. And now you'll have this option unrestrict on the bottom middle. Just click unrestrict. And here you go. You have unrestricted the account. And that's the process that you can follow to unrestrict someone on Messenger. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.